So ActiveRecord merge is one of the coolest features that I found in ActiveRecord recently. And we're going to go through an example that shows you how to do this. So with ActiveRecord, we set up two models here in our example. One is an author model, and it has many books, and the book belongs to an author. Now the book has two scopes that we're going to use in this example that allow us to filter out books. And if we come into our terminal, we can say book.available, and this will select books where the available column is set to true. And if we go to book.unavailable, we can see that it sees only books that are false and null for availability. So this pulls out all the different books from the database, but we can't use this scope when we do joins in the author model. So imagine that we want to get all the authors that have an available book. Well, how do we do that? So normally we want to go with author.joins books, and this is the first step. It starts to join the books, and we get all the results in this relationship. So it doesn't interjoin, but now if we want to do this, we have to say where the books dot available equals, and then we pass in true. So we're basically creating the scope ourselves manually because we cannot say author dot joins books dot available. We can't call this. We get a big long error because when we call author dot joins books, this available is looking for a scope on the author model. Now, it would be really useful for us to be able to essentially merge these two tables or two queries that we're trying to do. So now that we've cleared out that error, we can take a look at a better approach to merging those two queries. So we've got the scope on the books and we have authors. If we say author joins books, we can then say merge book.available, and this allows us to query using both of the scopes because these ActiveRecord queries are not evaluated until you start using the objects. So right now, this will say, let's merge the book.available query with the author joins books query and take that result and actually execute it. So when we run this, it actually does exactly what you expect. So it interjoins the books together on the author ID, and it adds the where books.available is true. So the ActiveRecord merge allows you to use two tables and connect their scopes into a single query. This is really cool because it will save you a lot of time, because otherwise you're going to duplicate these scopes in your different models because you will have to go into the model and create a scope, and let's say available books, and you would say where, or start with the joins books where books dot available equals true. So with this is how you would normally set it up without ActiveRecord merge, but using the merge, it allows us to get rid of this and not duplicate it in two places because we already have it down here. And that is the beauty of ActiveRecord merge.